Here's how to edit a scheduled email in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. On the left side, click on Scheduled. This folder shows all emails you've scheduled to send later. Click on the scheduled email you want to edit. At the top, click Cancel Send. Once canceled, the email moves back to Drafts. Open it from the Drafts folder and make any changes you want: text, subject, recipients, or attachments. After editing, click the Schedule Send button again and choose a new date and time. And that's it. You've successfully edited a scheduled email in Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials.